Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Congrats to all of us. We've just witnessed the largest daily move in Bitcoin history, marking yet another milestone on the journey upward. Yesterday, the 11th of November, Bitcoin surged from 80,427 to 88,770, a record daily gain of $8,343. Such a move isn't just a price increase, it's a testament to Bitcoin's sheer market momentum and serves as a signal of how rapidly capital flows are reshaping digital assets in this new cycle. But the big news doesn't end there. Bitcoin has overtaken silver in market capitalization, reaching $1.755 trillion, surpassing silver's valuation of $1.732 trillion. If you think about it, silver has been valued for thousands of years as a hedge and a means of wealth preservation. Now, Bitcoin, a digital asset born just 15 years ago, is challenging this status. This achievement shows that Bitcoin's role as a store of value isn't theoretical anymore. It's something tangible. We're witnessing a shift in wealth allocation from traditional precious metals to digital stores of value. To keep it simple, this milestone could mark the beginning of a major transition in how we define and preserve wealth. Now let's talk trading strategy. After days of waiting for the perfect entry, we found one around 87,000, which I shared in my Discord group. This decision wasn't made lightly. It was based on signals from my strategy on the 15-minute chart. The green dot on the hourly wave trend also helped confirm that this move had legs, providing that extra layer of confidence to jump back in. Today we've seen a 5.3% dip from a high of 90,000 down to a local low of 85,200. And yet this correction feels less like a setback and more like an expected cooling off, something even necessary to maintain healthy growth. Dips in bull markets aren't unusual. In fact, they're part of the process, allowing the market to reset before the next leg up. So here's a bit of hopium for you. Where could we be heading if this bull market extends into 2025? There's a fascinating chart from Coinmetrics that we've been analyzing. It shows projected values for Bitcoin on a logarithmic scale, based on trajectories from past cycles. The chart has upper and lower bounds for potential future prices. If Bitcoin follows its most optimistic path, the first halving's trajectory, then the upper bound could reach around $4.5 million. However, the more conservative lower bound, following the third halving, would place us at around $140,000. These projections are based on Bitcoin's own history and the cyclical nature of its growth, showing us the immense room for expansion. For another perspective, check out bitbo.io's Compare Bull Markets chart. If Bitcoin's price follows a path similar to that of Era 2, which is the 2013 to 2016 halving cycle, we could hit $3.2 million. Era 3, or the 2016 to 2020 cycle, points toward $1.1 million. And Era 4, our last cycle before this one, gives us a target of $264,000. Now, these numbers aren't guarantees, but they're grounded in Bitcoin's proven price history and provide a valuable roadmap as we navigate this bull market. One last point about these gains. The scale and intensity of market action right now mean that volatility is practically a given. In fact, just in the last 24 hours, we've seen short liquidations totaling $368.68 million, a sign that those betting against Bitcoin are getting wrecked left and right. Market makers are, in a way, testing the strength of bulls, forcing weaker hands out of their positions while experienced traders hold the line. What's next? I'm personally watching closely for safe entries on medium time frames, but I'll continue to post real-time insights on our Discord for those looking to follow along. If you missed the last signal, like the one that saw an entry at 78.9 thousand and a profit at 81.1 thousand, remember there's always the next opportunity. That trade alone offered a 2.66% gain on spot, or 26% if you were trading with 10 times leverage. For those wondering about effective free indicators in this environment, keep an eye on the MACD and the VRVP, everything under the point of control. It's been signaling every major pump since we launched up from 74,000. Right now, our best approach is patience. We're at historic levels with momentum in our favor, so there's no need to rush or force a trade that doesn't align with your strategy. Finally, if you've enjoyed this analysis, a like really helps the algorithm understand that this small but dedicated channel matters in the crypto space. And of course, subscribing and hitting the bell will keep you updated on when I might choose to exit this position. Join us on Discord for live trading insights, entry alerts, and all the details as this cycle progresses. And see you in the next one.